Wallos is an open-source tool designed specifically for managing subscription services, enabling users to easily track, manage, and analyze their subscription status. Open Docker. Click on Project. Create. In the Project Creation wizard, customize the project name. The storage path will automatically match. You need to import or enter the Docker Compose configuration file. Image specifies the Docker image and its version to use. Latest means pulling the latest version. Restart defines the container restart policy. Always automatically restarts the container when it stops or crashes. Volumes.db, var, www, html, db is used to store Wallos's database files. Indicates the directory where the current Docker Compose file is located, mounting the DB folder under the host's current directory to this path inside the container. .logos var www html images uploads logos, used to store logo image files, mounting the logos folder of the host NAS to the corresponding path inside the container. Environment, TZ sets the container's time zone. Ports, map port 28282 of the host to port 80 inside the container. Within the local network, the container can be accessed using the IP address plus port. After confirming the configuration is correct, click on Deploy. The system will automatically pull the image and start the container. Once the deployment is complete, you can access Wallos's homepage via the IP address and port. Set up your username and password. After successful registration, you will be redirected to the login screen, where you can log in with the account you just registered. Using Wallos is very straightforward. Click on Add First Subscription to add the subscription you want to track. In the Subscription Edition options, set the price and payment method of the subscription according to your needs, as well as the payment frequency and timing. Wallos also supports entering a subscription link address, making it easier to directly jump to the subscription service later. After adding a subscription, you can view the subscription's name, payment frequency, and price, along with other basic information, on the homepage. In addition to the basic Subscription Edition feature, Wallos also supports statistics for all subscriptions. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Statistics to view the expenses for all subscriptions. If your subscription services involve foreign currencies, Wallos also supports the Fixer API for currency conversion rates. You can visit the Fixer API application link to apply for a free Fixer API. After filling out the registration information, click Visit Dashboard to go to the dashboard and copy your API key. Paste the API key back into Wallos, fill in the Fixer API key in the settings, and save it to activate. Wallos also supports email reminders, allowing you to receive notifications when subscriptions are about to expire after setting them up.